Welcome back mga katreses. So today we're gonna try out the revolving sushi bar here at Kura Sushi. Let's go! We're here. So upon entering, you need to get a seat number on the reception area. So we're on the seat number 3. They have a free matcha tea here. Here at Kura Sushi, you can actually grab all your sushis or sashimis that you want for only 100 yen. So let's get our first pick. So we got our first 5 picks. Let's try the first one. Creamy. So here guys, you can actually do a separate order. They have like a tablet here. So you just need to choose language. Choose English. Then you can actually choose your order. Chicken broth ramen. With scallion. 1 order. Let's wait and it will be delivered here. Once you finish 5 plates, you can just insert them here. And then you can play a game every 5 plates. Five more plates. Let's play another game. So unfortunately, we didn't win, so let's check out. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Kindly hit like and share this video and see you again on our next travel and food vlog. Again, this is Resto Viajero. Peace.